Well guys, welcome to another video. Today we have a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. I bought this model from Amazon.in around 350 rupees. According to the price, the quality of a model is quite good. If we talk about the detailing on the model is nice. If you want to purchase this model or this type of model, I will provide link in description of the video. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more video like this. You may also follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Let's get started the video.